Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's video, I'll show you how to change region in Google Maps on iPhone in simple and easy steps. Step 1. Open the Google Maps. First open the Google Maps on your iPhone and make sure you are signed in. Step 2. Tap your profile icon. Next tap your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Open settings. From the menu, tap settings. Step 4. Change app language. Next tap on the app language, then select the language of the country you want Google Maps to focus on. This helps adjust location place names and regional suggestion. Step 5. Update navigation language. Go back and tap navigation settings, then choose your preferred voice and language for that region. Step 6. Refresh the app. Close Google Maps completely, then reopen it and you will start seeing suggestions, labels and results from the new region. And that's how you can change your Google Maps region on iPhone using free settings. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.